Greetings, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by to hang out with us on this channel, we talk all things finance, all things investing, and we love to mix in a little travel along with that as well. I am back here, you guys, on the beach in Da Nang, Vietnam, enjoying a nice, fresh, cold coconut and the waves of the ocean in front of me. Well, hey, I'm High Def Jones, and I'm back here with another Top Step Payout video. This payout is for $5,869 across 5 funded accounts. Now, if you haven't seen my previous payout videos, check the description and the links will be there. Also, follow me at High Def Jones on Instagram. And if you could also please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Now, I'm gonna finish up this coconut and I will get back to my place so we can dive into the Top Step Payout process.
All right, everybody, we are back comfortable in the spot. But let's dive into this Top Step dashboard. Here we go. All right, so what you see here is the graph. Here is our graph. We have the 5 funded accounts, and over here we have our profit streak. All right, and we are at 20 winning days. Okay, let's roll down here to our win rate percent, and we are at a 78% win rate. They want us to maintain the goal of 60. All right, let's hop over to the payouts page. And what you see up here is our previous payout. And that request was made on November 21st. And you can see that our funds hit the account, our checking account, on November 25th. So November 25th was our last payout. Today is actually November 28th. And like I said in the previous videos, Top Step, they pay quick, usually less than 48 hours. So today is Friday, so we are anticipating that payout to go through on Monday, which would be November 3rd, December 1st, actually, December 1st. Okay, let's scroll down to our eligible accounts, our current payout. So you guys, this is where we stand right now. So you can see the eligible amounts right here for our 5 funded accounts. So we have 1319, 1319, 1357, 1319, and 1319 here. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is start the request for the first account for 1319. So we're going to go ahead and click on request payout, and we'll do ACH. We'll choose ACH here as well. Okay, you guys, and at this time I'll be entering in my bank account details. Okay, everyone, and all 5 payout requests have been successfully submitted. Now you see that the numbers changed, right? That's because we have $20 per account, a $20 fee for the ACH transfer, and then there's a profit split with Topstep on each account. So here, that profit, well, you see the $20 for the ACH, and then the profit split on this account is $132. Same for this account, same for this account and this account. But this account, the profit split was $136. Okay, so all of these numbers combined gives us that grand total payout of $5,869. So we are pending for that payment right here. All right, and if we scroll up, we can see where we are in the process. So November 28th, which is today, we have submitted everything. The funds have been removed from Topstep and the funding has been approved. So now we're just waiting for these 4 blocks to be highlighted. And again, today is Friday. I'm anticipating Monday for the funds to be officially in my account. All right, and we are back. Those payouts have gone through and they are officially in the account. Let's take a look. So here we are. You can see that all 5 payouts have now been finalized. Here are those payout amounts. And if we scroll up, we see the process. So on November 28th, we submitted everything. Then we had funds approved, funding approved, risk approved, compliance approved, finance processing, and funds sent. Okay. And yeah, so over the weekend, everything, and it was a holiday, so I didn't know if things would be a little slower, but it wasn't really a big difference. Seems like it took a little bit longer, but not much. And then, I always have to just make sure I show you guys that everything is legit. Let's hop on over to my personal checking account to see those ACH payments from Topstep. And you see those payments right here. All right, the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the 5th one. All right, so these funds are now ready for use. All right, everyone, and that's gonna wrap up the video. Just wanted to show you that the payments did go through, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Happy trading, and I will catch you on the next video.